this lecture how to calculate quantity for bricks in wall. Okay, so this is the section for you which is the front of you. Now the front elevation is this, okay, and the size of this section is 14 feet and 11 feet. Mean height is 11 feet, length is 14 feet, okay, and this is the given data for this section. Size of the door is 7 feet multiply 4 feet. So 7 feet is the height of the door and 4 feet is the breadth of the door, okay. The other one is size of the window. So this is window, okay. Now 5 feet is the length of this window and 4 feet is the height of this window, okay. Now the other one is size of the ventilation, okay. So you can also say ventilator. So the size of ventilator is 2 feet, okay, 2 feet. This 2 feet is the height of ventilator and breadth is same like door, okay. This is 4 feet, okay. Now size of the second ventilator of the window is 5 feet. This 5 feet is same like this one, okay. So this is 5 feet size, okay, and the height of the ventilator is 2 feet, okay, same like door ventilator. Now come here. I want to out the volume for this section or for this front elevation of the wall, okay. So this is volume, so I want to calculate the volume. So thickness of this wall will be 9 inch because I have already the size of the brick is length 9 inch, breadth 4.5 inch, depth 3 inch, okay. So this is 9 inch brick, so the depth will be, mean the thickness of the wall will be 9 inch, okay. 9 inch is equal to 0.75 feet, okay. When you convert the 9 inch to the feet, so it will be give you 0.75 feet. Take in your mind this. Now I want to calculate the volume for this section, okay. So volume of wall is equal 14 feet multiply 11 feet multiply thickness of the wall, that is 9 inch, is equal 0.75 feet. So right here 0.75 feet, okay. So volume is equal, so you can use calculator here. Now you can see here this is 14 feet multiply 11 feet multiply 0.75 feet. So it will give you the answer 115, or we can say 115.5, okay. 115.5 cubic feet, okay. This is the volume for this section. Now I need quantity for bricks. How many bricks are required in this section, okay. So you can count here now. How? So in 1 cubic feet we use 13.5 bricks, okay. 1 cubic feet, CFT you can say, okay, CFT, okay, is equal how many bricks? 13.5 numbers of bricks, number of bricks, okay. Now how many bricks are required here? So volume of, or we can say total numbers, okay, or numbers you can say total numbers is equal volume of wall multiply 13.5, okay. So how many numbers are required here? So volume is how much? 1.115.5 multiply 13.5 5 is equal 13.5. It will give you 1559.25. Okay, so 1559.25 numbers. Okay, so 559 bricks are required here. Okay, so this is not the exact bricks here. Okay, because we have to out the deduction for this section. So what will be the deduction? So this is the total quantity for the bricks. Okay, so there are holes, deduction. Okay, we will not use bricks and door section and ventilator section and other ventilator and window. Okay, so now we will deduct these things which are the front of you. Okay, now deduction. And deduction you can, so I will write here. Okay, so first of all these are the, okay, so 7, 14, so we have 28 square feet. Okay, this is the area. After that I will multiply the thickness of the wall, so it will give you CFT, mean cubic feet. Okay, the other one is 25 multiply 4, 20 square feet. Okay, the other one is 4 multiply 2 is equal how much? 8 square feet. Okay, the other one is 5 multiply 2, so then it will give you 10 square feet. Okay, now I will out the volume from all these. After that you can deduction. Okay, now you can deduct after that. Now I will out the quantity for this. Now first of all I have to finish these. Okay, so this is already the front of you. You don't have any area or you don't have any space to write all these things. Okay, so you can say and deduction. Okay, volume of door, okay, is equal 28 feet. Okay, so 28 square feet. Okay, with 28 square feet, when you multiply 0.75 thickness of the wall, so that will give you what? 21 cubic feet. Okay, this is 21 cubic feet. So this is for the door. Okay, volume of door. Now volume of window. So already you can see here the size of the window is 5 multiplied by 4, so it means 20 square feet. 20 square feet multiply 0.75, it will give you the answer 15 square feet. Okay, so this is 15 is CFT. Okay, cubic feet. This is for that. Now size of the window. So the size of the ventilator, 8 feet. Okay, 8 square feet. So 8 square feet multiply 0.75. Okay, now it will give you the answer 6 square feet. Okay, so volume of ventilator. Okay, that will be what? 6 CFT cubic feet. Okay, now the second one will be volume of second ventilator. Second ventilator. Okay, ventilator. It will be 10. Okay, so 10 square feet multiply 0.75. It will give you the answer 7.5 cubic feet. 7.5 cubic feet. Now I want to deduct these things: door, window, first ventilator, second ventilator. Okay, so now you can add all these. Okay, which are 21 plus 50 CFT plus 6 CFT plus 7.5 Okay, 7.5. So it will give you the answer 49.5. 49.5. So deduction volume. Volume or deduction volume. Deduction volume is 49.5 CFT. Okay, so how many numbers will be deduct? How many bricks will be deduct from total numbers? Okay, so we can say deduct volume, deduction volume multiply 13.5 is equal multiply 13.5. It will give you 668. 668.25 numbers. Okay, so these number will be deducted. Okay, so now net break, NET breaks. How much? Okay, so you have the total numbers. How much is total numbers? So we don't have space, but I will do something. Okay, so the total number of the bricks is 59.25. Okay, so it will be subtract. What will be subtract? Deduction number. Okay, that is 668.25. Okay, now it will give us what? It will give us subtract 59.25 subtract 66.8 or 668.25. Okay, so it will give us 891 bricks. 891 numbers of brick. So friends, this is our topic for today lecture. I will teach you how to calculate mortar in brick wall. Thank you. All the best. If you like my videos, so must subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.